for a long time, as I thought that English speaking is totally depend on subject. It's only about translation methods, and there were not any other methods to learn this language. But that was my illusion. Now, if I am telling to you, if I am sharing with you my opinion that you can learn this language in other methods, in other ways. Even you are observing everyone around you that people are learning, people are telling you that you can learn, but still you are not getting that trust. So I am telling you, as a Hindi native speaker or as a Hindi medium student, I thought for a long time that English speaking is not available for me. It's only available for English medium students or people who have that, who get that access. But this is not the reality. The reality is now if you want to learn this, there are different methods, there are natural methods to learn this language. So if you have that dream for a long time, if you have that desire, but because of some reasons you are stopping, because of your, thinking that it's only about grammar rules, but that is not the reality. So if you are interested only in speaking English, then there are different methods are available for you and you can learn that. Now you are observing that in your surrounding, everywhere, change is occurring, change is going on, in your surrounding. Even nowadays, if you visit at very local restaurant, this is my personal experience also, what I got, that after local language, they are providing that menu card in English. So, my intention to tell you that if you feel, lack of confidence even in your job, in your career or in any field, if you are feeling that lack of confidence just because of one language, so you should start to learn this. Why are you stopping? We are the generation who are observing, who are witnessing a lot of changes. So when you feel all the changes, but somewhere you are stopping yourself that no, it's not important for me, but that is not the reality. If you are not taking your responsibility, then nobody is going to do something for you. You first of all, you are responsible for you. So when you know that change is constant, when you know that you have to do this, so why are you waiting for that? If something you are going to do after 10 years, you can do right now. So this is also a very strong point, that you are observing the change but you are stopping yourself. So take this decision right now and start your English speaking journey. Of course, I started my English speaking journey for my job, for my need, but at some point I realized that, just because of this language, I was feeling a communication gap with my children somewhere. And they were judging me less, and I was feeling less just because of this language. So if you are feeling the same thing, if you are feeling the lack of communication, you are feeling the gap of communication with your children, so you should learn this language. And because of that, now I feel more connected. I can understand what are their feelings, what are their mentality. So now I can connect more with them. Now I can feel more connected and the gap is less, So this is also very strong and prominent reason I'm giving you to start your English speaking journey. You have your mobile phone. A lot of information is there. But if you are not focused about particular things, as you are feeling right now, feeling loser, or somewhere you are feeling lost. But if you will take the right decision, if you will take the decision to learn this language, so you can focus your attention, you can focus your energy, and you can utilize your time, your phone, your data, all the things. So at the end of the year, you will get some fruitful, some byproduct from this year, and you will feel more content. You will feel that you are not wasting your time. And we are getting the data about how our focus attention is decreasing. So at least if you have some focused point, if you have something to focus on that, so you can use in the right way. At the end, the last point I want to give you, especially if you are in your 50s or 60s, now in the present situation, social structures are changing, and we are getting very less struggle, very less friction in our life. And because of that, our minds start to work less and our brain stops to create new neurons. And because of that, we are facing different kind of disease. If you learn any new language, if you start to learn any new language, there, because language is directly connected to your brain and mind. So when you start to learn any new language, your brain start to create new neurons. and because of that you can save yourself from those critical disease. As I said that our social structure is changing, so when you learn something new, you connect with new people and you feel that connection with society, you can get that social security. So because of that also you can start your English speaking journey. I try to explain you all the reasons why you should start your English speaking journey. I hope you will understand and you will watch once again. If you are delaying and if you are not taking action, this is the main point, that if you are not taking action and still you are thinking, then you are not going to get anything. Because at the end, you are responsible for yourself and you have to take your own responsibility also. If you are waiting that someone will do something for you, then you are on the wrong path. You are on the wrong direction. So take your own responsibility and start your English speaking journey, and trust me, at the end of the year, definitely you will succeed. Definitely you will be a fluent English speaker.